Hey YouTube, sorry this is just a little bit disorganized, but I just opened this, wow, it is late. This Kwikset smartkey Gen 1 or 2, and obviously it's not available for the belt, so let's just close it back up and see if lightning doesn't strike twice. If you've watched my other belt video, purple belt video, you'll notice I don't exactly have a very expanded diction for idioms. I used that joke last time, but let's see. Maybe it's good luck. I'd previously been doing it all from the words, if they could come to my mouth. That direction is clockwise tensioning, but I decided to switch it up. And I've been having some pretty good success, obviously, because I just opened it before I started this webcam. Oh, man. It's gonna be so upsetting if I can't get it again. Okay, we got this. And prove it does, in fact, work. I'm noticing I got it after, but maybe that'll reset the pins. The steep hook. There it is. Yep, that was that. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna be quick and gut this in case my camera doesn't die. I would be devastated. So again, in fact, this key does work. And let's take this back off. Alright, and pull the core out. Don't actually have all my proper gutting materials because, again, this is very spontaneous. But we'll do the best we can with just a mat and a How about this? And then, be careful, I haven't gutted one of these before. I do have my gutting kit, I just don't have my pinning tray. So we're doing this first gut style and pretending I don't have any of that stuff. I've actually never fully opened up one of these. I think I would just something's holding them in. Oh, the sidebar. I do kind of know how this works because I accidentally pulled the sidebar off once. So again, you can see those are in fact in there. Oh. Yep. And so I'm going to gut this first to ensure that my camera doesn't die. And then I'm going to run and get my proper tray so I can show it off. So that's the last chamber. And the next chamber. And the next chamber. And watch this, that's going to be the next chamber. That's crazy, I know. This is the quality content you watch for. Boom. There we go. Kwikset Gen 1 or 2. Kwikset smartkey Gen 1 or 2 picked. Now let me go get my pinning tray. I can do this proper. Alright, my camera's still operating, which is fun. So I'm going to back this out, punch out a bit. And you can watch as I reorganize these pins for a close-up. That was 5. Yeah, let's put it there. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think these are all exactly the same. And I may as well take these out. Let me get a photo first. And you can watch me in high definition as I mess this up. That is number 1, I think, because it goes in upside down to what I'm thinking. Yeah. So that's number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. And this is number 5. And alright, let me get these springs here. Oops. And while I'm doing this, I'd like to shout out a few people. First of all, and most importantly, Snow over on the Discord. He was a massive, I don't know if it's he or she was a massive help with picking this. I was originally having a ton of problems. until they taught me how to move my pick up and down when giving counter rotation. So what that does is I can't fully explain it, but it reduces the amount of counter rotation you need to give because when you're bouncing your pick up and down, um, it grips less on or sticks less on the pin you're trying to pick. Well, sorry about that. My camera, as I said, just died there, but I did get all the important parts in. I did gut it, prove that it was in fact a Kwikset smartkey, Gen 1 and 2 or 2. So with that, again, final thanks for Snow. I urge you guys to check out Lockmaker Tattooer. And as my joke alluded to earlier, I'm going to try to post a video about the stuff that was sent to me about the sloth picking. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.